Hi, so this video is to show the basic disassembly of Glock 43X in this case. That's the basic disassembly for maintenance or whatever you want to do. You don't need any tools for that, and it's pretty simple, but sometimes people tend to find some difficulties in doing so. So here you go. So first of all, there's no ammo in this gun or in this room, but anyway, we'll check, and then we fire the trigger. It's essential in order to remove the slide. So once the trigger is fired, what you do is you pull the slide a little bit until the barrel drops a little bit, and then you have this on both sides. You have to lower it down and release the barrel. Release the slide, and that's it. It's off. And then what you need to do, remove the spring, remove the barrel, and voila, you got the basic disassembly. You can clean it, you can lightly oil it, and same process to put it back together. So you put the barrel, it falls into place, and then you put the spring on the lower position, and you put the slide right in the channels, and that's it, ready to go. Thank you so much for watching.